Hi everybody, it's me, Faith Kayampa, independent Scentsy consultant, and today we are going to unbox my Scentsy Club. If you don't know about Scentsy Club, you are missing out. I love my Scentsy Club. The biggest perk, hands down, is always get your bar. So have you ever had a Scentsy bar and you're like, this is my favorite bar, and then they discontinue it. Scentsy's like, bye-bye, we have a new catalog coming out. There's a loophole. You can add it to your Scentsy Club and they will always make it for you as long as it's in your Scentsy Club subscription. Okay, you get 10% off of club orders of $30 or more. It's discounted shipping, which is awesome. Awesome. Like I said, you always get your bar. That's my favorite part. And you don't have to worry about it. It comes directly to me every month. You can do every month, every 2 months, every 3 months, whatever works for you, we can work it out. So, and there's no fees to sign up. Like, don't you hate Louis, like they have to, sometimes they're like, it's $19.99 for a yearly subscription. No, there's no fees like that. There's no hidden fees or anything like that. So discounted products, discounted shipping, always get your bar, why not? So let me show you what I have in my club. It's mostly bars. So Star Apple and Freesia, this one I cannot live without. I just can't live without. It's just so fruity. And I absolutely love it. So I have this one, Pima Cotton. This one came back and I used it in my laundry room. It smells like fresh laundry, just so stinking good. Yeah, that is super clean, super fresh. I absolutely love it. I think I have a couple of those. Yeah, I have another one. And then this one. Ooh, this one was in our last catalog, Mango Matcha. Once again, fruity. I absolutely love it. It smells like a mango lassi. Have you guys ever had a mango lassi? I love Indian food. If you didn't know that about me, I absolutely love Indian food. And a mango lassi is just like sweet mango, creamy. That's what it smells like. It smells so good. It takes me like to there. And then I also have these. I love these. These are our cotton cleanups, okay? So if you've ever had trouble changing out wax from your warmer, a lot of people are like, how do I get my used wax out of the warmer? You take one of these, you put it in your melted wax, it soaks it up, and then you throw it away. It's so easy. You could actually use these for multiple warmers depending on the size of the warmer, but I normally can clean out 2 to 3 warmers with this, with just one of them. So they come in this big pack right now and I love it. It's in my club. Like I said, it just comes to me. We'll get it and I just like set it and forget it, and then it comes. I always get my bars. I absolutely love these. These are for my personal use only. I think it's so great. So I'm gonna go change out my wax. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video with you guys, and I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye.